This is Cody. He's making friends at the zoo today. But as you can see, he's not doing so well.
My friends said cheer up, it was high tide. But can't you see I'm lovesick? I need a cure, so bring it real.
He's wandering around trying to make friends with anyone, but all of them just say no. Like Mr. Rhino, this woman with a baby, this old man taking pictures, and him, and those geese, and even that elephant right over there. Even this guy hissed at him and told him to get lost. But Cody wasn't ready to give up just yet.
I took myself out walking. By the evening I was running. I hadn't done this for a long while.
He then tried to get everyone's attention, but everyone just looked at him as if he was odd.
I need a cure, so bring it real quick. This time I'm fearing heartbreak. Look at the time, it's almost daybreak. Oh, I don't wanna settle down. I don't wanna leave this town.
So then he thought, what's the closest relatives I have? So then he went to the chimps. Believing that they were the only ones that would accept him, he was shown wrong. So why did no one like Cody? Why would nobody be his friend? Out of every being in the zoo, nobody would. So that's why Cody just sits there at the end of every single day until a new day comes, where he tries to find a friend.